Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Joe's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you in 5 minutes how to take apart all the panels of your Frunk and remove the inner tub. It doesn't require much, T30 and a 10mm socket and the ability to disconnect one of the wiring harnesses. Other than that, it's a breeze. It should take you less than 5 minutes. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. And the way to do that is these pop out or pull inward. This one pulls inward. And then this one just lifts upward. Like so. Hard to do this with one hand. So next thing we got to do is take this thing out, which really just comes up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the tub, but because there's an electrical connection right here, just because these cars are so finicky, I'm going to disconnect the battery. It's easy to do, 10mm. And just pop that off and move it to the side. Just because these cars, as you know, are so finicky. Okay, so in order to get this tub out, you're going to have to do a couple things. Number one, you're going to have a T30 here, 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 here. That's 4. You're going to have, if you have the cargo net, you're going to have 2 of these little twist off plastic thingies. Just throw them in the bin. Don't lose them. Underneath there is a 10mm nut you're going to need to get off as well. So you're going to need a longer 10mm. And that should come off pretty good. And I'm throwing them in there just so you don't get lost. Okay, now I'm going to take off those T30 Torx. There are 4 of them. There's basically 2 handles here, and you can literally just lift this tub up and out. Don't forget this connector in the front. All right, so once you pull this red tab out, there's a black tab here. There you go. And then this whole thing just comes right out. And that is what it looks like in the inside of your Frunk. Woo! And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with anybody. I don't care. Let's get the word out. Joe's Garage. Thanks for watching. I hate these clips. I'm always afraid to break them.